All right, y'all. So here we have it. This is, the dining room. We got your nice flat screen TV on the wall. You got the outside patio, with the plants. I like how it's like goes down, like it steps down, then, you got that whole space right there. And this is the kitchen. Nice wooden, you know, drawers. The stove is nice with the aluminum. Counter is real nice. Then you got your microwave and oven, there. Really like the colors, like very neutral, vibe. Then you got the island, real nice, you know, decorations. You got the bar stools. Like this, it's a really nice vibe, man. I like you like the nice aluminum refrigerator, little table, glass table there with the shelves. Um, I like how they put the colors together in this, and then as we go here, you got your glasses, more of that wooden, you know, design. You got your little fridge, and you hold your wine. Then this is the dining area. Nice table. The colors are real nice. I like the lights over top the table. You can fit the whole family there. And you got this nice stone piece right here. This is perfect for like family gatherings, Thanksgiving, Christmas, for the dinner. That's real dope and nice. Set up with the windows, really nice windows, letting the natural light in. Then you got that nice painting right there. Nice. I love that. Now we're outside. Now this I really love because it gives me that grown up mature vibe. Invite a couple friends over, might, put something on the grill. I probably have some wine, some beer, whatever, just, sit back and relax. Probably have a little fire pit. I really like this vibe right here, man. This is a nice backyard. I love the couches. It's really nice. Real nice and open. Yep, I like that. Really nice, man. It's not too much. It's very simple. I don't know about you guys, but I like being simple. I don't like doing too much. But yeah. So this is the master closet. The closet in the master bedroom. Like, just look at this. This is amazing. You got your shoe rack. You got your rack for your shirts and jackets, hats. Then on the other side as well, this is a real nice size closet. I love this closet. Like, I need something like this. One day I will, but this is real nice. It'll be all type of designer here. You know how I get. I love that drip. But yeah. Then you got your nice little counter right here. Then this is the master bedroom, nice size bed. You got the 2 chairs over there in the corner. Really nice. I love these wooden floors. Very nice. And you got your TV on the wall, the wooden dresser. Very nice. I love the colors. I see they like a lot of wooden stuff too. And this is the bathroom. Oh my God. Woo! You got the his and hers sink. First of all, it's like a gray type of color, black. You got the ladder you got the tub. Very nice. You want put your soap there, something to drink or whatever. You got the little ladder. Then you got the shower. That shower is nice. Look how big that shower is. That's a real nice shower. I love that shower. Yeah, his and hers sink. You got the white top. And I believe that's gray. Oh my God. That's nice. Nice picture right there. Then this is the toilet. Very nice, simple. It's your white toilet right there. clean. Not doing too much, but that bathroom, oh my God, the his and hers, man, you got the scale right there. The crib got an elevator. Okay, I got some here. I'm scared for my life. Now I'm off the elevator. Nice painting right there. Then I guess this is what you would call the living room. I'm assuming just another room added. Nice seating area. Really peaceful setting right here. Got your TV, nice TV on the wall. Really calm area. Guess the area you would just sit and relax. You know, I love this chair, like the color on that. Then you have this nice bathroom. Really nice white walls, white floors. You got your toilet right here in the middle. Nice. It's your shower. This shower is also nice. Yeah, really simple. You got your sink right there. I'm trying to get this light. There we go. Let there be light. But yeah, this is real nice bathroom right here. I believe it's 4 bedrooms, 4 baths, 4,200 square foot. Now, this is the hallway. Got your nice bookshelf right here. Very nice bookshelf. It's a nice size too. I like that little apple decorations on top. Laundry room, real nice. Got your washer and dryer. It's a big laundry room. Oh my goodness. Nice size laundry room. Wow. Dang. Got that. And you keep going down the hallway. Got this nice paint, little art. Lots of dope art throughout the house. Got your little workout area right there. You know. And then this is the office. Now, this is one of my favorite rooms in the house. I love the office. Like, look at that. Nice size office. I love this office space. Like, you know, you got a nice couch right there. Real nice. You know, you got clients over. You know, you can sit on that. And you got your night. That glass desk is really nice. Oh my goodness. Yeah, this office space is, I like this. And the art on the wall, the continents and stuff, like that's dope. I like that. That's a nice piece right there. That's really nice. I'm blown away by how nice this house is. So this is the other bedroom. Pretty decent, simple. Got a purple color, violet type of color, neutral, like purple on the walls with the white. This room is not it's not that big. It's still nice though. Then had the bathroom. Nice little bathroom. Turn the lights on for y'all so you can see better. I didn't go back there. I wasn't for sure what was there. Probably a closet. But yeah, nice little shower. Art. You know, pictures. There was a lot of nice pictures throughout the whole house. That's one thing I did like about the house. Had a lot of nice art on the walls and stuff. But yeah, this room was pretty simple, nice, small. Look at these stairs though. Let's just take a minute and look at these stairs. Like, wow. Then go upstairs. Nice patio, rooftop area here. You got your couches and your chairs. Another area you can vibe out to. Really dope. Nice weather. Come out, or at night. Come out and just relax, enjoy the breeze, drink some wine. Really nice area. Nice rooftop. It's one thing I'm starting to see a lot in Houston with the houses. They all have like rooftops. It's kind of a thing here I'm noticing.